Behind me is Malaysia Airlines' current A330, and soon it's going to get the newer A330neo. Come, let's go to Toulouse and check out the new aircraft. Malaysia Airlines is currently undergoing a fleet modernization exercise as they are acquiring next-generation aircraft to replace its current fleet. Last year, it started taking deliveries of the Boeing 737-8, and this year, they will receive their brand new Airbus A330neos. As announced back in 2022, the national flag carrier has placed orders for the Airbus A330-900s. We recently went to Toulouse in France to check out Malaysia Airlines' first A330neo. And this is the first aircraft that's being assembled, so it's in this final assembly process right now. So a total of 3 A330neos will be coming to Malaysia by the end of this year. And Malaysia Airlines has acquired a total of 30 aircraft of this latest generation of widebody aircraft. As seen here, the tail with the iconic WOW logo has been attached, but unlike the 737-8, it uses the previous WOW logo design without the songket motif. Keeping up with modern times, Malaysia Airlines will feature an all-new cabin for the A330neos. There will be a total of 297 seats, with 28 in business and 269 in economy, which includes 24 seats with extra legroom. For business class, the A330neo will use Collins Aerospace Elevation business class seats that feature sliding privacy doors and wireless charging ports. Configured in a 1-to-1 seating configuration, this means all business class passengers will get direct aisle access. For economy class, Malaysia Airlines has opted for Recaro CL3810 seats, which feature ergonomic design and enhanced support, coupled with coat hooks, cup holder, and ample storage for added cabin comfort and practicality. Like its current generation A330, the economy cabin is configured in a 2-4-2 layout. The A330neo will also feature 4K in-flight entertainment screens for both business and economy passengers. Economy passengers will get a 13.3-inch 4K screen, while in business, it will come with a larger 17.3-inch 4K display. The aircraft will also feature Wi-Fi connectivity, and as announced earlier, complimentary unlimited Wi-Fi will be provided on board. The A330neo is a next-generation widebody jetliner, and it boasts 25% reduction in fuel consumption and emission thanks to its newer Rolls-Royce Trent 7000 engines and a redesigned wing for improved aerodynamics. The A330neo is also future-proof, as it's the first aircraft family to be certified by EASA to ICAO's new CO2 standards ahead of the 2028 deadline. The A330-900 has a range of up to 7,200 nautical miles and is already able to operate with up to 50% of sustainable aviation fuel. Malaysia Airlines is expected to receive its first A330neo in Q3 2024, and the remaining aircraft will be delivered in stages until 2028. And these new aircraft will replace the current A330-200 and the A330-300. The first A330neo flight will be scheduled for Melbourne. Eventually, the aircraft will be deployed to operate across its existing networks throughout Asia, Oceania, and the Middle East. So, are you looking forward to the new A330neo? Let us know in the comment section down below.